All right, so here we are with the electrical inspection, and as you can see, we got the new 10-year replacements. And just to give you an example of how it works, press the button.
Fire.
So that's the test. That's the test that they'll when they check them, that's what it'll do.
Carbon monoxide.
That's how it works. All right. Now, you already seen the electric in here, so no need to repeat it. But all right, so looks like all the lights down here do work. One light bulb missing, but I've tested it. I just didn't have an extra one at the moment. But all of them work down here. All right, so they operate by a switch. Now on every plug or switch and plug, I changed the outlets. So as you see, that controls that. And that one controls outside. Let me see. Which, right. Yeah, so there's one right up there. You can see it kick on. Back, yeah, so that one's right there. Over to the side here is where that one is. Yep, so that's what that one does. One note, all these dang this tree here is kind of tangling around the electrical up there. That should probably be cleaned up. You know what? That's probably part of the problem of why that's flooding like that, because it's over here where I was seeing some of the flooding is right over here, and having that broken gutter up there ain't helping, because it's not just going all over. So, all right, so anyway, okay, so another switch done. We'll just go ahead and cut him off for now. Plate. Okay. Another plate. That controls that one, so it's a three-way. Plate here controls this light, and this is the other second one on the second level.
Fire.
I'm gonna fix this too. I've already fixed the other two rails, and I'll fix this one. I gotta get a part for it. That's broke right there. Coming in the kitchen, plates have been changed everywhere. All the plugs are good. I did replace this plug here. All right. Same thing in here. Replace the plug. It's kind of broke. Plate. Replace the plug here. It was broke. Switch plates. Okay. All right, plate, new light in here. I used that other light that you bought for that. And then you got a new outlet here. Plate, new outlet and plate. It was fried, as you can see. Nice little, okay. Plate, plate. Plate. Okay. You see, I've secured these down. They were loose, falling apart. Okay. Got the plate. Another detector on this level, brand new. It's a little high to reach right now. All right, in here, plate, new GFCI, new plate. All right, new plates, new plate, new plate, new plate. Now notice there's some paint. I'll get that touched up when we do our final touch-ups everywhere. All right, the switch here. This is how it was inside. I mean, it was fried. So, new switch, new plate, plate, plate. Another bad plug here. It was all broke up. Plate, new plug, plate. All right, new plate and a new plug. Plate, plate, plate. Alrighty. Coming up to the final level, plate. This has all been secured. This has been secured. Plate, and on to the top level, got your other one there. This light is missing a cover on it, so I don't know if they'll say anything about that or not. I just left it for now since we haven't discussed that. Got a plate, changed the outlet, it was broke. Another plate over here. Switch plate. This switch was another switch that was broke up inside. Yeah, it was totally done. So new switch, new plate, perfect for that light. I put that light back up and it fell. Plate, new plate and another outlet here. It was broke. Same over here, another outlet. It was broke. Now everything works good. And that is all the electrical in the house. Done. Okay, a plate, another plate. And here I changed the outlet, it was broke.